एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्टाइल विद पूजा। गाइस कैसे हो आप सब? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे और सुरक्षित भी होंगे। सो गाइस आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पे लेकर आई हूँ ब्राइडल मेकअप लुक। ये मेकअप लुक कोई भी ब्राइड कैरी कर सकती है, आसानी से घर पे भी कर सकती है। तो इस वीडियो को पूरा एंड तक देखिएगा और अगर आप लोगों को मेरा ये वाला गेटअप अच्छा लगा है, ये वाला लुक अच्छा लगा है, देन मेक श्योर आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा एंड बाद में जो छोटी सी घंटी है उससे भी बजाना ना भूले ताकि आपको मिलते रहे मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले। तो चलिए ज्यादा बातें नहीं करते हैं, विदाउट एनी फर्दर डू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Guys and welcome back to my channel. So guys, in my today's video I'm going to create this pretty bridal makeup look which everyone can do. This is very basic look and this is created by affordable products, so don't forget to watch till the end. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, this is my bare face, so let's get started and create the bridal look. So for the first thing, I am going to use here Good Vibes Lavender and Mint Face Mist for hydrating my face. This feels so refreshing. As you have seen in my most of the videos, I am using this face mist because this is just amazing and I have purchased this from purple.com. Then I am using Good Vibes Almond Facial Oil to give some glow to my face, and it works great when you apply some facial oil while doing makeup. It creates a natural glow on your face, so don't skip this step. This also I have purchased from purple.com. Then I'm going to set my eyes with concealer. So here I'm using Stay Quirky concealer in the shade Ivory to just set the eye base so that my color pops really great. Then I'm using a Dab beauty sponge and just blending those concealer all over my eyelid. Then I'm setting my eyebrows with the Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. This pencil is just great and quite affordable. I have purchased this from Amazon, and if you want it, I will get you the link in the description box, so don't forget to check out there as well. So I'm just setting up my eyebrows. Then I'm using the same SQ concealer to clear out the edges of the eyebrow so that the look pops up really amazing. Then I'm blending both the things with a flat shader brush, and to avoid any crease I'm going to set the same with the Lakme Rose Gold compact powder, or else a loose powder basically. Then for the eyes I'm going to use here is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this grey brown color which I have already pointed on the screen. So I'm just taking a pencil brush and a flat pencil brush and just outlining my crease lines. That's it. I'm just outlining it, not blending it all over my eyelids. So same way I'm going to do on the other eyes as well. Then I'm going to apply the tape. Actually I would have applied it before, but I actually forgot. Then I'm using this orange brown shade in with a blending brush, and just I am going to mix both the colors, the brown color and the orange brown color, on my crease line, and I'm going to blend it quite well. So guys, take time while blending, because blending is must so that it won't leave any harsh lines and your eye makeup will be looking flawless. After that, I'm going to create here is a cut crease look. So here I'm using the Garnier Micellar Water to cut my crease, to clean my eyelids all over. And then again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply concealer, and to set the concealer I'm going to use the same compact to set my concealer up. Then I'm going to use this magenta color from the same eyeshadow palette, Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. All links will be given in the description box. So I'm applying the magenta color all over my eyelid with a normal pencil brush. This is the flat pencil brush. After that, half of my inner corners I'm going to set here with the golden shade. So this is the golden shimmer shade actually, and which is not getting popped up with the brush. So I have here used my fingers to blend it up in my inner corners and half of my eyelid with the same. Then I'm going to use here is the SFR glitter eyeshadow palette. This is the gel eyeshadow palette and it is quite affordable. So I'm wearing a red lehenga here, so I'm applying this red glitter shade on my eyelids right next to the golden shade. Then I'm going to use the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking an eyeliner brush and just going to create a wing at the edges of my eyes, and just going to give her some dark shade and blending out with the eyeshadows which I have applied on my eyes. Later on, I have blended some magenta color with the black shade, and I have removed the tape, and you can see my eyes are looking so beautiful. The lines are so clean and clear. I'm using here is the Dazzler eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a small wing because already a huge wing is created on my eyes. So I'm just going to create a small wing with this eyeliner, and here I'm going to make the eyeliner look as an Asian look. So what I'm going to do is inner corners also I will be having the pointed edges, and now you can see my eyes. Now let's go to the face makeup. Before that, I'm cleaning my face with the wet wipes, because if any fallouts have happened, then it would be removed by the wet wipes and my base will be really flawless. To start up with, I'm going to use here is the Blue Heaven primer. Guys, this primer is also amazing. This is my first try, but I'm just loving with the primer. So I'm just applying it all over my face. No, I'm going to apply it only to the T-zone of my area. Then if any excess left, I'm going to blend it out on my whole face. Then I'm going to use here the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. This is the sand shade. I'll be mentioning all the shade number, shade name, and even the links in the description box, so don't forget to check it out there. So I'm just going to apply this on my face, all over my face within dotting motion. Guys, this foundation, as you know, it is the best. So guys, here I am going to use the flat foundation brush to blend my foundation all over my face. It blends out really amazing. After that, I'm just going to clear out the blends. If anything left, I'm going to clear it out with my beauty blender. So again, I will be blending the same with the Dab beauty blender. To avoid any crease on my face, I am going to set it with the same Lakme Rose Gold loose powder, and I am just going to blend it all over my face. Let's complete our eye look. I am using a pencil brush and taking some oranges brown shade which we have used in our crease lines. The same I'm going to apply on my lower lashes. After that, I'm just going to apply a little bit of magenta color as well on my lower lashes to give a combination, give a sequence look on my face. And then I'm going to use a basic kajal which you guys would have guessed by this time. So yeah guys, I'm going to use the Stay Quirky Bad as kajal because that is love. If you are the one who is searching for the kajal which will not smudge it out, then you can definitely try out this also I have purchased from purple.com only. I'm using this kajal from past 3 to 4 years and I'm just loving it. I'm going to use the same kajal on my tight lines as well, and now you can see my face guys, it's looking so amazing. Then I'm going to contour my face. So here I'm using this Sugar 3-in-1 contour highlighter and blush, in which I'm going to take this shade. This is the shade 1 of the Sugar Compact. So I'm just going to contour my face. Here I'm not going to do any harsh contour or stuff because I don't want to do any harsh contour on my face. It looks natural like this, so that's why I'm not going to do any harsh contour. I'm just going to do a light contour on my face, on my nose areas, on my forehead, my chin. Then I'm going to use this blush. This blush is also like peachy pink blush which looks really natural. This has not that much pigmentation, but like how the blush should be without very deep pigmentation, the same way the Sugar brush is also like that, and which is really good. Then I'm going to use the same palette and going to have the highlighting effect on my face. So here I'm using the highlighter brush to give a glow to my face. Then here next step and the second last step is using a lipstick. So here I'm using the Half and Half Cosmetic lipstick, red lipstick in the shade 10. Please comment down how you have liked my eye look in this video, and if you want such videos, do let me know in the comment section. The last step is fixing spray, and here I'm using the Blue Heaven Fixer. Now let's go with the outfit. Let's see how the final look created. So guys, this is the final look, the final bridal look, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you have liked this look and you want me to create such bridal looks, then do let me know in the comment section below. I'm here to create those. And if you like my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like button and share button, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter as well.
So guys, ये वाला जो लहंगा है इसका
इसका रिव्यू ऑलरेडी मैंने दे दिया है। ये मैंने खरीदा है जोश इंडिया से। इसका डिटेल में आपके साथ रिव्यू शेयर है, तो अगर आप लोगों ने वो नहीं देखा है तो उसे भी मैं आई बटन में पिन कर दूंगी। प्लीज कमेंट करके जरूर बताएगा कि आपको ये वाला गेटअप कैसा लगा है, बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत लगी है इस गेटअप को रेडी करने में, सेटअप करने में। तो अगर आप लोगों को ये वाला गेटअप और मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ तो प्लीज मेक श्योर आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक से सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा, एंड बाजू में जो छोटी सी घंटी है ना उससे भी बजाना ना भूले, ताकि आपको मिलते रहे मेरे वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले। मिलती हूँ मैं अगले वीडियो में। टिल दैट टेक केयर, टाटा।